Motherfuckers. Subscribe. Okay. Okay, fucking YouTube doesn't like. Let's just click this. Okay, CD, CD, YouTube chats, and Python, YouTube chat 4. Yep, it works. Perfection. Then CD bullet hell and Python HoloCure. Yep, it works. Great. Okay. I'm gonna make this game screen bigger again. Yep, that's. No, I'm just gonna do 2000 by 2000. Okay. Yeah, it's good enough for me. Okay. Then debug is set to true. That way debug always starts up. Perfect. Wait, does it still? Yep, that still works. When a restarted debug state is debug open and close state is kept. Okay, good. Then let's begin. My font isn't being used anywhere, so for now I'll just keep it in. Okay, then let's get phind real quick. Phind.com. The world is cold and full of rain, keep needing, yeah, to laugh and be free from myself. I cannot see nobody cry. I want it to be strong enough. Okay, I have a Python plugin and I want to make a scoreboard where after the player gets or no, let me instead of this, let me quickly get my laptop. I have it in there. Boot up the laptop. I should be able to copy it to my PC, so it shouldn't be a problem. Wait, why did it go into? I didn't want to go into recovery mode. Okay. Dude, there. Login. Oh, this laptop is great. It's like this laptop starts so much faster than like my computer, and I don't know why. It starts in like 5 seconds. But okay. Okay, open Discord. There. that there and copy that there, and then I can turn off the laptop again. Right. Then let me go to Discord. And there I can open the links. Perfect. Yep. Okay. What do we have? 16th, okay. Yeah, okay, that's still fine. Okay. So. Okay, I have this create a scoreboard and initialize it. I have that the scoreboard gets initialized here. Yeah, I have my UI manager. Update the score when the player gets the game overs. Okay. So when a player gets a game over, it first draws the menus with 1. Then game menu is true to pause the game, and then it draws score from the UI, the scoreboard entry. And there you have this rectangle. What instance method should take a self parameter? No, it doesn't need a self parameter. Anyway, the debug can close for now. In it, let's make the health to 1 to test it more quickly. Close that, open that again. Okay, so this, which means I draw this one, which will make me yeah, so for that I need this. I need to make this rectangle, text entry rectangle, and usually the things are called like button, draw menu, yes. Here they are buttons, and otherwise they would be if I have like draw debug, it's a label. So I'm just gonna call this text entry. So which means oh yeah, text entry underscore name equal moment. It's not accessed? Yeah, because it's being drawn. Fuck you. Whatever. Wait. Label debug? Yes. And where else does it reference the... Wait, this is drawed right in init. In the init rect label, and then just label debug. Okay, so text entry name. I'm just gonna call it the whole time. Text entry name is then pygamegui dot elements dot UI text entry line or text entry box. I don't know. Any UI text entry box. Text. Let's go with text entry line for now. Then relative rect equal like text entry name and its position, and then manager equals self dot what's the manager called? Self dot okay manager. Okay, so now when I get a game over, it will show this. Let's just test it. It's probably not gonna work right away. There's an enemy. Game over, and it's over here. Okay. Anchors. How do I do anchors? No. Draw menu. Anchors. Center. Okay, just. Okay. That should then have it in the middle, but it's being drawn under it. Okay, so I probably wanted to draw in the game over, or not scoreboard class here, because here I check for player game over. Okay, what if I yes. Would it then do it several times? Yep, it does it. Yep, I need to close this. Game over only needs to be called once. But game over needs to be called after the menu is being drawn. Which means where is the menu actually being drawn? Huh? Draw menu, it's there. Wait, what? Okay, anyway, then. Okay. Then how I will do it is take this out again. Like this, and what? Keys is not possible. Is possibly unbound. Keys is defined. What the fuck? Who cares? It's giving me these errors all the time, so who actually cares? What did I wanna do? Right. So to this I need to add container. container equal which containers do I have? Container.self.UI window. Okay. Yep, they're on top of each other. So that is not good. This means to draw menu I need to add another state, which would be one moment, I wanna write something in my to-do list. There's a to-do list. Add debug buttons where you can, for example, instantly game over and things like that. Okay. A moment. Which means no, it would be best to make another UI window for that. Yeah, not self UI window. Okay, UI window and UI underscore window underscore menu. Let me quickly check all the references of it, yeah. And here, okay. Only not for this one, UI window name, which means UI underscore window underscore name equal Pygame GUI dot elements dot UI window. And then I need another rectangle. Or for now, let's just leave that for a moment as is. And rect underscore UI underscore window underscore name equal pygame dot rect. Why isn't it? Whatever. Huh? Whatever. So let's just do 300 or 00 to yeah, just do 00 for now and size 300 and this one rect equal rect UI window. And what else does it need? A manager. manager equals self.manager, and what's window display title equal enter your name. Yeah, let's make that self, so that works out. Yes, okay. Quit. Then the length is fine, the height can be 40. Okay, so this window can then also be smaller. Okay, not that small. Let's get 150. Yeah. Yeah, it looks fine. So then it needs to be positioned screen. Wait, no. How is why did this get indented? Anyway, constants.screen width half. Constants.screen height half. And minus 150 and minus 75. Okay, I'm gonna make that game over button. No. Oh shit. Okay, enter your name, XC. And I need to make a confirm. Or like confirmed with the enter key. Okay, that means rect button confirm equal pygame.rect. Let's go with 0, 0 and 240 right now. Let's just go with that. The restart button is the topmost. Okay. Minus 20 and 20. No, I'm gonna make that fucking button. Oh no, I'm gonna put it in debug. That's gonna be a little bit easier to manage. Door debug. Anyway, yeah. No, and I don't think I can add it to this label. Fuck it. Rect underscore button underscore Game over equal file game. No, not. I don't really want to move the game. Okay, one of these extensions needs to go. It's like, but I don't know which one it is. I don't know. This one hasn't seemed to done anything. Is it that one? I don't think it is. So it doesn't seem to be typing. Is it snippets? Maybe it's snippets. Let's look at this. Maybe it's snippets disable. Right, no. This is so annoying right now. I'm not using anything like iSort. Can also disable type-in. Like, it's reload, of course. How is the script still running? Like, let me test it again. Test. Ah, the script is still running. Interesting. I'm seeing like this is a really bad time to kind of stream. Anyway, I don't care. It still doesn't like. I don't need this. Don't really need this, I think. There we go. Oh, so it was the language. The thing is, it seems to be a nice feature, but it just stops doing this. Left, no, that is not what I constants dot screen width. That is what I was typing. Okay, but it's still kind of stupid. Yeah, why is it being so stupid? Okay, because it wasn't select screen width. Next one, top is 0 and width is just say 100, height 550. Yeah. So it is that no, not wait. Not where even I don't care. Control E, Control B. Button underscore game. No, I don't know button underscore game. over package UI dot elements dot. Okay, how the fuck do I make a button again? UI button. There we go. Relative rect is equal rect button game over, and text is text. Text equal. No, not restart. Game over. And right, rect button game over dot top left equal minus 2020, and then I don't think I have to do this. Top right. I can't type. Top right. Where the fuck is the button? Okay, constants dot screen width minus 100. There we have it, and then oh cool. Let's do check if UI button pressed, if yeah, there's be anything before restart, otherwise it will check for restart. Okay, if event.ui underscore element equal self.ui dot button game over self dot, then what should I do is should just do player dot game over. And these can also just be all else statements. Wait, why can I not click that button? Okay, let's take it out then. Put it in this one just. Let's see. So the game loop crashes because of line 495. But why does that crash when UI has... But why does that crash when I just want to... Take this out and let's see. Right, if event type key down, if not self-min. Okay, if event dot key equal pygame dot k underscore g. Okay, g. Okay, whatever. If it's G and then player dot game over. Right, the button does nothing anymore and wait, so let's see, print game over. It just doesn't do the game over. Why? There's also a player.game over there. Player.health. Oh, because doesn't the game over? Yeah, only check if the health is 0. Right. So I can... Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it with that. But also, I'm just gonna make a UI button and also if event.ui element equal self dot UI dot button game over, then player dot health equal 0 and print game over. Wait, the button is still there, so... It doesn't like the button being here, and I don't know why. Like earlier, it didn't even do anything really, so... It did a button presses thing, it doesn't really work. Anyway, this way I can do that, and there is no button inside here which says... which shows what I wanted to show. Draw scoreboard entry, rect button, confirm, right. And then button under self dot button underscore confirm equal pygame GUI dot elements dot UI button equal rect button confirm equal can I just do confirm and I don't have to nope equal confirm. There's no button. Alright, container. I completely forgot everything. Manager. Why does it manager? Yeah. Self dot manager and container equals self dot UI window name. Now it should be display. Hey yo. Ooh. Right. Anchors. Center colon center. Doesn't matter which order it is. Okay, nice, and it can be a bit slimmer or a bit higher to be honest. Let's make it a bit taller. 200 and minus 100. Start again. Hi Geometry, I didn't notice you would stream this later. I've got 30 minutes. Sorry, I didn't see your messages at all just now. Yeah, this late for me, it's 3 PM. So like, yeah. Not really late. Okay. No, it can be like slimmed down. It's a 260 and 160, so 130 and 80. Yeah, nice, okay. Okay, then this text will be the name and the confirm will then register it. We'll update the scoreboard. This text box for player can write the name that will be used together with the number of enemies skill parameter putting the score parameter that can be written at the first button to confirm the entry after the button was pressed. Call score. Yes, I have that. How are you doing, Geometry? Yeah. Okay. What the fuck? I've been streaming for nearly an hour. Hi, I'm doing good. Yeah, I would say also doing good. I got enough sleep though. I couldn't, because I was up until like really late. I couldn't go to like a relative's, there was a like family member's birthday, and they went to like a restaurant, and it's like a restaurant which I really like to go to, but because I didn't get enough sleep, I said, okay, no, I'm not gonna go, because I was still 1 hour. What? I didn't say anything about one. No, I got enough sleep, but it's like I was up very late. That's what I meant. So yeah, like 40 enemies? What the fuck? Alright, enemies get like spawned every minute, so if you kill everything, then yeah. Huh. Interesting. Anyway, nice. Yeah, but like I really like to go to the restaurant, and I because I was up so late I couldn't go, which is annoying. Okay. I can make this appear more often. Does it spawn more and more things? No, that's good, okay. Okay, this can be closed. Apparently sleeping too much is bad. Yeah, sleeping too much is also bad, yeah. No, I was like up until 5 AM, so to like get enough sleep, and like they were eating at lunch there like at noon, 12. So waking up at that time would not have been great. Like I wouldn't be able to really do anything in the day because I would just be too fucked. Anyway, this would be self dot. And then okay, then let's see how would I read the text out of that text box? To read the text out of text box, get text of text. Where is it? Okay. Text, we get text. So if I then have a button for that, let's see, hopefully, what happened to that? It got diffused, everything's fine. Or I'm just gonna put before the debug, if event.ui element equal self.ui dot button confirm, then print text entry. So from that self.ui dot what's it called? Text entry name dot text underscore get. No, get text dot get underscore text. Okay, let's game over, type in XZ, and yes, this works. So quit. Then I also want this for here, so let's just put after here. If event dot key equal pygame dot key underscore kp enter. Or would it be return? Anyway, and then also take this and put it here. UI object has no text entry name. Yeah, so only if this menu is open. Okay, let's make a new thread. I want in Python Py game I want a button to I want the game loop to check if a button was pressed, but only when a certain Pygame GUI window is open. GUI window is open. Okay, let's see. To check if button was pressed in Pygame window, you can first need to detect if the button was pressed. You can use the fucking stupid. This method returns a tuple free. Next, you need to check if a certain Pygame window is open. You can do it by checking UI window is enabled method. This mode returns true if the window is currently enabled and visible, false otherwise. Okay, so for event Pygame, so and then if that, and then if self.ui dot what's it called again? UI window name dot is enabled, then do this. Gangsterflight, hello. It seems like you sent an emote. Sorry, the emotes don't show up in the chat here. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Okay, let's see. Fuck. Bool object is not callable. Shit. Why is this not callable? Can I crypto mining? No, you cannot. Also, crypto mining is nothing worth anymore. Why can it? Why is that not callable? When you try to call a body message for a function, is my message display. Thanks. I'm trying to check if UI window name that is enabled. I get this error. Okay. Fucking marine. Okay, make a buy menu and coin after kill something. I'm thinking about it though right now. Like, where to buy stuff. That's a good idea, let me write it down. Volatile to do, enemies give coins, have a shop to buy stuff. stuff. Levels are boring anyway. Lol. That's a good idea. Thank you for that idea. Oi. Where's that? Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make that. Like the thing is, I still have quite. Let's just call this in progress right now. I have quite a few things to still do. So yeah. It's quite complicated still. Buy a perk with coins, cosmetics, power-ups. Yeah. Dropping debug closed. Oh yeah. Enter your name. Then what does it say here with if I press escape again, if self.menu, UI draw menu, if certain kill menu, okay. So then I need def, kill, scoreboard, entry, self, and then kill menu, what's it say there, self dot UI name dot kill, and yeah, after return, after it returns, it then calls self.ui.ui name. No, wait, self.ui kill scoreboard entry. Okay, and then also the same for when it checks if this button is pressed. What? There we go. Okay, let's check. Game over. XC. Cool. Right, right, this one, what did it say to that? The error message blah 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 occurs when I call a boolean value if it were a function. This can happen if a function and a variable with the same name, or if you override a built-in function set as to boolean. I did not do that, but whatever. In this specific case, it seems like you're trying to call this enabled method of, but Python thinks you're trying to call a boolean value instead. I'm trying to call a boolean value. This the extended boolean value is enabled anyway in the code. No, I did not. To fix this, you should search your code for any instance of this enabled. This is fucking no. Answer isn't true. I tried to call a boolean value, not a function. It was an if statement. Fucking hell. Okay, maybe it's those. Let's see. How does this game look like? This is the game. So, XC, confirm, and yeah, it does that and closes the menu. And if I restart, I can shoot bullets, and I also have this like more melee attack. Yeah. What was the last message? Let me reload it. It blocked out again. Funny number? Where? Oh wait. Another sub. Nice. I'm assuming that's what you mean. Let me just check. No, it doesn't show it on my end. Ah, there it is. 69. Nice. Bup, 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 bup. Wait, yeah, right. I want to check. So if I game over and do this and this. Nice, okay. So I had to check it like that. Okay, why is it breaking now? Oh. Why is that thing breaking again? If I probably write like place to wall 2, what do you mean with that? Just let's see. Okay, it's just completely broken again. I don't know why it does that. Or maybe I can how would I do it? Import GC and draw debug GC collect gc.collect. Let's see if that would fix it maybe. What do you mean with place to wall 2? Let's start it again. No, maybe it's gonna run better. I have to see. Let me check on the phone something. Why does it say I'm offline on my phone? Oh, because because I'm offline on my phone. That's why. I had the internet turned off. Good job, me. Okay. It does it again. What the fuck? Place wall on the game or is in space. Currently, if you walk to the wall, you cannot like walk outwards. So, like, when I try to walk outside, nothing happens. So it's currently just in this confined space. I'm thinking about like making it so that you can walk around later, though not right now. They have like a big map, like in Vampire Survivor the map is just like endless, or like HoloCure map is just endless. Okay. Okay. So this works. Then I have the I have the name now, so when I get a game over and after that is pressed and after the confirm button is pressed, or right now after enter button is pressed, so I need to do it for both, I need to do this. Player name, player score, okay, so after this happens, Oh no, I'm gonna keep... Can I? Right. After that, self.scoreboard dot... would it be the update method of the scoreboard? I close it here. Update, yes, player name and player score. So scoreboard update, and it wants a player name, which is self.ui.tech. Why am I making it complicated? And next one would be player score, which would be self.enemies killed, right? Self. The chat breaks again. Make the health and life. There is a health bar and life bar. It's just currently very small. If you look here, if I increase the health back to 10 and run the game again, and then I like, where are enemies? There, I run the enemies. You can see the health bar gets smaller. And if you can read it up here, it says health 7, health 6 now. See, the health bar gets smaller. It's just because the health bar is like 1, so I can make faster tests. And then game over. Okay. Okay, where is enemies killed? Game that enemies killed, game that enemies killed, self enemies. Okay, good. There, self that enemies killed, yes, and the same has to be copied to here. Oops, anyway, then also just put it in the print, and let's see. If I game over now, and it is XC, and for now press confirm XC 0, okay. Good, so if I restart and do this now and game over again and XC, and if I press enter, XC, I killed, number of enemies killed 4, yes. The game can continue if I spam that, okay. I probably have to do something about that. Okay, let's just put this in the to-do. If you game over and you spam escape, then you can kind of continue the game. So I have the let me just okay. Whatever, too late anyway. Okay, now the update, draw the scoreboard in your game loop. So after the name entry was made and the confirm button was pressed, for pressing enter should also make the confirm. Okay, yes, that is then, like that. Self.write scores. And draw. So I don't need X, Y. Anyway, contents dot screen width minus 100. Okay. The UI manager, whatever. Edit manager, text is this. So, okay, how the fuck do I do the draw? Scores equals scoreboard read. Okay, so I need to draw the UI. Yeah, it can be done after draw UI. Self dot scoreboard dot draw scores and scores equal self dot scoreboard dot read. Nothing else. Manager update and manager draw UI. Okay, and something's probably gonna go wrong. Oh damn. Oh yeah, oh no, oh no. Yeah, this needs to be changed, oh no. First off, I'm correcting the what what did it say for the read? This is on the same line as this. Inside of here. Oops. And the draw method did everything from the labels on. Wait, what? Label and text on the same line. Oh, fucking hell. There we go. There's so many parentheses in this. Anyway, wait. Fuck it. Wait, no, then this actually is like this. Oh god. Yeah, kidding. Let's do it back to this and then this back to... Yeah, whatever. Holy shit. Need to do some stretching. Alter. Okay, what crashed last time? Of course it opens in the background again. Okay, game over. X and then confirm and everything is correct. Anyway, and then XC and pressing enter, everything is correct. Right there's the scoreboard and the scoreboard. The TXT is also there. Yes, so great. Ref, I gotta go now. CX, have a great day. You sleep well, yeah. Thanks for coming by. That was fun. Okay, okay, it writes it and draws it, but okay, the problem is it overlays it on top of each other the whole time. Yeah, so there's, remember, the scoreboard is being drawn on top of, is drawn every frame on top of itself again. Okay, let's see how it handles that. And I also need to let's do -200 and let's do this. Okay, now this is, but yeah. The scoreboard is run every frame and the FPS tanks really quickly. If I check the memory usage, oh my god, it's 350, yeah, nearly 400 megabytes already. Oh god. Yep, it's at 13, 15 FPS and it's like going really slow. Right, let's make a okay. If event.key equal pygame.key underscore c, then gc dot collect. Will this work? And nope. Making an automatic garbage, or let me print garbage collected. Let's also put it in the UI actually. Print dot garbage automatically collected, print dot garbage manually collected. Yeah, it doesn't end up in the garbage collector, it just ends up overwriting itself all the time. Okay, if the score is being done every frame on top of itself again, you can follow these steps. Clear the screen with the black color. Update the display after drawing. Scoreboard, in this game. Okay, now, how do I do this? I'd probably just, yeah, probably just make text, but, no, I could, okay, I could make, I could make something which is scores and okay, yeah, that is that might work. So or God, okay, no, wait, this needs to only be drawn once, which means I could actually put it within the init method. And how is the time handled? Let me see. It's in Draw UI probably, but here it doesn't do anything crazy. If not game, yes, serve time, and then there is label. It's because it only does set text. Okay, so because it only does set text. Yeah, and the actual label time is within this one. Okay. That those can go. This only gets called once, so things can be added safely. I hate that it doesn't go like between the two. Where is draw menu being called? Draw underscore menu. Try draw menu. Right, because it only gets called once. Yeah. That's why it is safe. That's why it's safe. To add things to it. But I'm not calling menu here, I'm calling it all the time. But I only want to call it once, which means I can just call it in the init method instead of down here. Then let's try it after scoreboard is initialized. Scores equal serve.scoreboard.read. and then serve.scoreboard.draw scores. Let's see if this works. No. Okay, let's initialize it after the UI has been initialized. Game.ui.manager. What about it? Game is not defined. Did you mean name? No. So if I try to call it in the init method, it will instantly spit out errors because the game is not yet. Okay, then let's make it part of constants. Or nah, let's just do let's just do game.scoreboard.draw. Wait, no, this has to be done here. Game.scoreboard.draw, yes, and scores equal game.scoreboard.read. So then it would be this, right? Let's try it. Yeah. And here we go, and let's yeah, and if I can just manually collect the garbage, or just wait until the garbage collector kicks in and it should be fine. And if I now do this, it gets appended and restart. Okay, when I restart it, save button confirm. Okay, this only so I have to, when I restart the game, buttons, let's just make it like key down events, return, all of those are key down events on close, and restart self init and self dot scoreboard dot read scores equal, because it did write the scores, so that should work, and then serve dot scoreboard dot draw, and it only does it once. Let's try it again. Yeah, but the annoying thing is the text is now. It's like a. I can do it in a moment. Let's just. So if I do game over and XC and enter and restart it, nice. So the problem now is it's inside of a UI label, which is time. It's also like in label time. No, it's inside of a, it's a UI text box, but this is an actual label. Um, and there's also a UI text box. I need to correct all, nah, fuck it. I don't want to correct all of this. Okay, then let's also just make it a UI text box, because that will be easier. Instead of label, text box. Let's see, does it work or does it need HTML tag? No, wait, now it makes... Got unexpected keyword. Yeah, HTML underscore text. But text needs to be so the text here would need to be like let me check, where does it init UI and draw UI, what does it do? Set text for, okay, set text, and then it just doesn't give a fuck. So just do f text and f and so will it work? Okay, doesn't look too bad actually. But how would I now do it so that I wait, no, because it's now a text box. No, wait, it would still I would need to find something. Find a way, good, if I now, if I game over and execute, confirm, restart, okay. There, that's another. Good. Text, enumerate scores, this means for the amount of times it does it. So, okay, so I will have to rework this. What it is rect, oops, rect underscore label underscore scoreboard equal pygame dot rect. Yeah, 0, 0 and 230, and then label underscore scoreboard equal pygame GUI dot elements dot UI text box HTML text, a relative rectangle equals rect labels rect more a rect label score box this then manager equal game dot UI dot manager, there we go. update file. So let's search here. Scoreboard dot update file. Okay. And then here dev dot draw. I did it again. Draw update self and yeah, class oops, draw UI, which would then be self dot label and scoreboard dot set text. Okay, and this would be it. HTML text equal text for now. And text, oh god, I will have to, so, text equal, right, can I do this for, let's do it like this, for I name dot score in enumerate scores to okay, in Python I have a list of scores with name and score values. I want to put that list in HTML code with a for loop. Is that possible? Okay, I have the list and the scores and yes, and what? Okay, whatever. Let's try it. Like this, instead of HTML, we take text. Text is table. Let's go in. Wait, data. Scores. Okay. For now, pause this so nothing weird happens, and okay, yeah, I fucked. So, okay, you have. It constantly wants to check if the UI button was pressed. It puts all the text next to each other. I think it needs line breaks. Okay, let's just do it like this. Constants dot screen width minus 150 for now, and 50. Let's see. Let's probably have this. It seems that table is a drop down menu. I want them all to be visible at once. Okay, what the fuck just... The website was quite slow just now. Many of this is plenty of smooth this year, nurse and feel the burn that running since tonight. Welcome to the mountain top. Does your fancy come stop first? My hands have stayed in the what the f... Give me action, sick it down the slash, slick but with a passion. Must someone be asking, does do feel loose, the heat and seeing no traction, but it must be how you accent, so trust me, start relax and standards. I'm savage cause I care and you can take it or leave it, rip and tear, you swear to make me believe it. Striking close like the cushion, no be like technique, bright as school, what's see the oldest hands already weakest, but this blood be melted iron, but I still be like water. I think it's embodied that perspective, if you senses the slaughter, this is devotion to the mission, so I devour the weak, a notion full of competition. I apologize, it's not to drop to me, but rather it was used to create a table for table to display all the text in the table at once. You can use CSS control to layout. Fucking hell. Catch again in Python. I have a list of scores with name and score values for a loop. Is it possible? Let's try export. I want to display it all easily with pygame_GUI UI text box. Let's see. Yeah, it shows me the same solution as earlier. Yeah, first create the list. Yeah, I have the list. Next, you have your data, you can generate an HTML string for sending using for loop. It's basically the same thing as before. What? Anyway, so it does it. It has the string and everything. And it's basically the same thing that it gave me before, isn't it? Okay, it's slightly different, where it just says, okay, name and score, and there's no formatting on it. Wait, no, with this I can do this on my own. Basically just do font. Let's ask real quick, what is TR and TD? I just want to know, but I do not need it. For scores and score, yeah, just do where is draw debug? There we go. F no, that's just not F. Yeah. Let's do I let's see that before name and score. Let's see how it works out. Yes, of course. Not enough values to unpack expected. 3 got 2. Okay, that can be solved. Okay, enumerate. Ew. Okay. What if I had an F before it? Yeah, now it would be. And at good, and that is a break. But why is it a drop down menu? What the fuck? Oh. Right, I found out why. Where is it? Okay, rep to height equal true. Whatever. Nice, and I have this Python code, and it works, but it always adds one too many line breaks. How can I prevent that? But yeah, I figured it out, so that's nice. Okay, let's just try it with table instead of font again. How would it look with table? But still red to hide. No, it still adds one too much. Okay. Oops. Let's see. It's a funny solution. In the for loop, I make an if statement. If I is that, and then okay. All right. Instead of fear. Yes, perfect. So then this 10 and that anchors top and wait, no, right. That didn't work. The top right equal 0, 0 for now. There we go. So HTML font, scoreboard and the line break. Nice. Okay, this is great. I like it. Okay. I'm not what I'm not interesting. What do you mean? Or the game's not interesting, or what? Okay, and then okay. Image collected. And then yeah, now it then works, confirm, then restart, or after confirm, draw it again. Just so it's game and return. Right. I kill scoreboard entry, right. File and so, and then scores equal self.scoreboard.read, and then self.scoreboard. update file with no, not update file. Update file is being done here, self.scoreboard.draw update. That's what I want. Same here. Okay, so exe confirm. But it didn't get drawn again. Or do I have for no, I wouldn't have to draw an update, I would have to just draw it. Because, yeah. So X confirm and it to draw it I need the scores, and for scores I need draw scores. Okay, scores is then self.scoreboard. I know. Which one is it? Read. Wait, with all of that I could just make a so the game over now, this, and fuck. Missing one argument scores? Okay, nice. And in the scoreboard, when it's here I+1. That way, yes, it starts at 1. Okay, scoreboard is implemented in just 2 hours. Huh. I had done some work before, but yeah. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. And then do more again. But next time. Yeah, draw update. This comes at a later point. Okay. Then I will be going for now. Thank you for coming by, and if you want to know when the next stream is, you can join my Discord below or follow me on Twitter. And then you'll get notifications for the next stream.